guys! So, yesterday I was super excited while I was going home after a long, busy day at work. Actually, the thing that got me super excited was the fact that I had some leftover spaghetti at home. And I knew deep inside that I'll find it. But my high spirit was cut short when I found out one of my siblings decided to polish off my poor spaghetti. It's so very easy to be happy when everything goes your way. But what if everything just decides to go the opposite way? Will you still be ecstatic? Before I proceed, how many of you know this song? If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Well, how about we leave a like on this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and your happiness will come knocking on your door. No kidding. Some days are just so bright and shiny, but there are probably more days that are just dreadful. And it's on those days that your happiness is tested. Some people try different things in their hunger for happiness only to find a vacuum in their hearts at the end of the day. We focus so much about the future that we forget all about happiness. For example, you say how happy you'll be once you become successful, or once you build your dream house, or when you finally meet your sweetheart. We often mistake success with happiness, and that is where we end up contradicting ourselves. Many say success is when you finally achieve your goals, that it is when you finally own a big mansion, 5 to 6 cars, and not just any cars, dude. I'm talking about Ferrari LaFerrari, McLaren Speedtail, Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Sorry. I mean, all those expensive cars parked in your front yard. Others say success is when you become loaded and can afford the expensive lifestyle. There are numerous definitions of success, but if you can look closely, all those definitions lead us to one thing. The success is when all your hard work finally pays off. Happiness, on the other hand, is when you experience complete satisfaction. It's when simple things give you joy. It's when your mind remains positive, even when failure becomes your best pal. Happiness is when you are grateful for what you have. Here's a big one, people. Happiness is a choice. Probably you're asking yourself, wait, did she just say I can choose to be happy and kaboom, I'm happy? Like, hey mom, I just walked on a potion and I became so happy. Wanna try it? Come on, are you serious right now? Chillax, y'all. What I mean by happiness is a choice is not what you're thinking. No, come on. You just don't choose to be happy today and tomorrow you choose to be sad. What I mean is, happiness is a lifetime choice where you channel your negative thoughts into positive ones. Happiness is not when you find luck on your way like, oh wow, I just found some money in one of my back pockets, which I had totally forgotten about. I'm so happy I could buy a mansion like right now. Neither is it when you finally succeed. Of course, it's nice to succeed in life and start living your dreams. But deep inside, you're almost turning into a zombie because of the pressure you're facing, just for everyone to acknowledge how successful you are. All those fancy cars in your compound, but you can't remember the last time you just enjoyed a ride just around the town with your kids or just by yourself. All that comfortable house, swimming pool included, and not to mention a jacuzzi, people, in your room. But you never have time to just explore your house and enjoy your comfortable couch or just enjoy the presence of your family around you. Your fridge is never empty. All those delicious meals one could think of are kept in the fridge, but they go to waste because you just can't afford to waste time and prepare a delicious meal. So, a quick coffee will do for the road. What I'm basically saying is, your success becomes your greatest enemy. And instead of enjoying the fruits of your labor, your blood pressure doesn't seem to balance itself. It either lowers or shoots up dramatically. Why should you sacrifice yourself to success and let it destroy you, yet you have an opportunity to choose? I find it amazing that some of those that are successful are ever smiling. You either find them with their families having wonderful time at the beach, or they're trying a new recipe in the kitchen, or even going for a ride to just anywhere, just for fun without having to wear suits every single day. We filter ourselves into becoming much better people when we tag happiness. We tend to acknowledge ourselves more and start absorbing the little things that makes us glad. We ditch perfection and embrace our vulnerability. If you choose to be happy, accepting gloomy situations as they are won't be much of a dilemma. You make your life more meaningful when you count your blessings, help others, focus on what's good in given situations, and accepting others the way they are. Don't wait until you finally get that smartphone or buy yourself a camera drone for you to be happy. Be happy now, and success will unfold itself. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Happy people?